Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, circles. In smaller classes, we already studied the different shapes like triangle, rectangle, square, circle, likewise. In this chapter, we are going to learn more about circle. What is a circle? What are the different parts of the circle? And how to construct a circle with a given measurement. Do you know what is a circle? Yes, you all have an answer that circle is round in shape. Now let us see the definition for circle. Circle. A circle is a closed figure which is round in shape and has no sides or corners. See, this is what a circle. It is round in shape and has no side and no corners. Next topic, parts of a circle. Number 1, center. All the points on the circle are at an equal distance from a fixed point. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. See this figure here. Point O is the center of the circle. All the points on the circle are an equal distance from the center. Number 2, radius. The distance from any point on the circle to the center is called radius. See here, the distance from the point O to P is the radius. Likewise, anywhere we can draw a line from the point to the circle, and that is what the radius. Number 3, diameter. A line segment that passes through the center of the circle connecting two points on the circle is called diameter. See here, AB is the diameter of this circle. Since line AB passes through the center of the circle connecting two points on the circle. So from this we can say that the length of the diameter is twice the length of the radius. Length of the diameter is twice the length of the radius. Thus we can write diameter is equal to 2 times radius. 2 into radius. And radius we can write it as radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. When we divide the diameter or when we take the half of the diameter, we get the radius. Number 4, chord. A line segment within a circle that touches 2 points on the circle is called chord. See here, CD is the chord of the circle. CD is within the circle and touches 2 points on the circle. Note, diameter is the longest chord of the circle, since diameter is also within the circle and touches 2 points on the circle. Number 5, circumference. The distance around the circle or the length of the circle is called circumference. Number 6, arc. Any part of the circumference of a circle is called an arc. Now let us recap all the parts of a circle. First, there is a center of a circle. All points on the circle are at an equal distance from the center of a circle. Another word to remember is its radius. The distance from the center of the circle and any point on the circle is called its radius. A line segment that joins 2 points on a circle is called its chord. As you see, chord can be of different length. Can you guess which is the longest chord? It is the one which passes through the center of the circle. And the chord which passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. Any part of a circle is called an arc. The boundary of the circle is called the circumference. Now let us do a quick recap. Center, radius, chord, diameter, an arc. Now look into this figure and answer the following questions. How many chords are shown in this circle? Name them. There are two chords, chord AB and chord CD. Next question. How many radii are drawn in this circle? Name them. One radius, that is OP. Next question. Name the diameter of the circle. Answer is AB. Next question. Name the center of the circle. Answer O. Another question. Find the diameter of a circle if its radius is 10 centimeter. So, radius is given as 10 centimeter and we have to find the diameter. We know that diameter is twice the radius. So, we can write diameter is equal to 2 into radius. That is, diameter is equal to 2 into 10 centimeter. That is equal to 20 centimeter. Next question. Find the radius of a circle if its diameter is 16 centimeter. Diameter is given as 16 centimeter and we have to find the radius. We know that radius is half the diameter. So we write radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So radius is equal to 16 centimeter divided by 2. Answer is 8 centimeter.